One day, a person came to a famous monk and said, I want to ask you a question. The monk said, Ask. What is your question? The person said, We all people have two hands, 2 feet, one mind, and time of 24 hours. But few people become successful. Everyone respects them. Everyone wants to be friend with them. Everyone wants to spend time with them. But most people just wish for success. They live a normal life and say goodbye to this world. So why does this happen? What different is in both types of people? After listening the question of the person, the monk smiled and said, Between successful and unsuccessful person, there is only difference of one thing, and they are their habits. What do you choose every day will determine what you will become. If you choose rest, idleness and little things, so failure is certain. But if you choose hard work, discipline, passion, challenge and difficult tasks, then your success is also certain. But unfortunately, most people unconsciously, because of their surroundings, parents and the people have grown up with, adopt such habits and routines that keep them away from being successful and does not allow them to become what they want to be. Mostly people just eat, wear, travel, do odd jobs and then only think about till death because they grew up watching people only do these things. So miraculous changes in the life of such person can only come when they bring changes in their thinking, routine and daily habits. The person said, Lord, you talked about the importance of habit. So can you tell me about 5 such habits? By adopting those, I not only become financially successful but also be strong physically and mentally. Society should respect me. People take inspiration from my work and for generations to come, I can give a good example. The monk said, Absolutely. Today I am going to tell you about the 5 habits. You will not see their effect immediately, but if you practice these 5 habits and make a part of your life, then you will always be ahead of 99% of the world and success will run after you. Then the monk started saying, First habit, take control of your morning into your own hands. Every morning we have 2 choices. First, we keep dreaming while we sleep, or else getting up early in the morning, work hard to fulfill those dreams. But unfortunately, most people choose the first option and don't let himself leave the comfort of bed. And when they wake up late, even after that, they waste their time by running errands or sitting with friends or family, gets fired in gossiping. And this is the first sign of an unsuccessful and complaining person. But if you want to be successful, so get up early in the morning. Spend the first 2 hours on yourself. Go for a lonely walk, at least for 20 minutes. It will give place to new and positive thoughts in your mind. After that, meditate for 20 minutes. It will keep you calm and happy all day long. Do at least 30 minutes exercise daily. This will make your body strong and energetic. It boosts your confidence. Let the sunlight fall on your body for 15 minutes every morning. Making it happen keep you healthy, ease your pessimistic mindset, increase hope and expectation in you. At least for 30 minutes to 1 hour, invest in reading or learning about that work in the field you want to become successful. This practice of 1 hour every morning will make you stand far ahead of other people working in the same field. First 5 hours of the morning is the most energetic. That's why don't attend anything else. At this time of the morning, improve yourself and pursue your goals. Make a habit of finishing the toughest job of the day early in the morning. This habit will keep you worry-free and light-hearted. Make the most of your morning hours and it will make you successful. But friends, getting up early in the morning, adopting these habits is not that easy. For this, first, we have to develop our mindset. The monk said, second habit, stop being present all the time for everyone. If you are readily available for everyone, that means you don't have any big goal in your life. By doing this, you lose your value in the eyes of people. People don't take you seriously. That's why stop giving your time to such a person who does not respect you and considers you a useless person. Keep in mind, you can never become an influential person if everyone is using your time as per their wish and you are easily accessible to everyone. Because of this lack of yours, people will not pay attention to your good qualities and will take you lightly. But instead of this, if you keep moving towards your goal by using your time wisely, then people will respect you, take inspiration from you. Keep in mind that only in the absence of the sun, people know its value. The longer the rainy clouds remain, the more people will yearn to see the sun. The sun which people dislike due to the excessive sunlight in summer. People wait for the same sun in winter and rainy season. But you should not reduce your presence just to show people. But you should be less available because you respect your time and you are serious about your work. The monk further said, the third habit is to learn to take quick decision. Low-thinking people take time to take every decision, but high-performing people make quick decisions and get to work. A quick decision maker is always ahead of a late decision maker. Because by the time a person who takes a late decision will think and consider every possible option, a decisive person will have started working by taking a decision and will have changed himself or his plan if needed. So quick decision making is a great strength. It takes a lot of confidence and strength to take such decision in difficult times without knowing whether the decision I am taking is right or not. But the advantage of taking quick decision is that we can make changes at any time if necessary. Often people say that information is power, but this is not true all the time. Sometimes more information can be harmful. If you are spending too much of your time gathering information, thinking and planning, that means you are going to spend the least amount of time doing that work. So there is no need to collect much information about any work. Take some time to think it through, but once you have made a decision, stick to it unless it is absolutely necessary to change it. An incomplete decision taken in haste is also more correct than a correct decision which is taken after the passage of time. Every day's decision can be made in much less time than we give them. The way to learn to make quick decisions is to make as many decisions as you can and learn from them. Don't just keep taking information and thinking and waiting for yourself to become a sensible person. The monk further said, fourth habit, learn to sacrifice rightly. Whether you want it or not, you will always have to sacrifice something or the other. If you don't make sacrifices for your goal, then you will have to sacrifice your goal. When you are wasting your time, you are also sacrificing your potential future. That's why you must know to leave the right things if you want to be successful. Sometimes you have to sacrifice your friends who pull you back. You may even have to sacrifice your comfort, favorite food, home and relatives for some time. But this sacrifice is not always easy, especially when you are young. You think, why should I leave my comfort and happiness? But the truth is that you will not get anything from your today's comfort and happiness except sorrows and remorse. But it does not mean that you will always have to sacrifice and your whole life will become boring. This renunciation is only for a short period of time. But once you become successful, you will not have to make as many sacrifices as you have to do today. But the problem is that most people want instant happiness and success. But the flip side of sacrifice is that you can reach your highest potential as a human being and achieve everything you dream of. So learn to sacrifice the right things. The monk further said, the fifth habit, be disciplined. All the things I have told you so far are meaningless if you do not have discipline. Every human being knows the importance of discipline, but still he is not able to remain disciplined. Talking about discipline and putting it into practice are two completely different things. Living a disciplined life is not so difficult as it seems. It is very easy if you are honest with yourself. You start doing things every day that you think you should do, whether you are feeling like doing it or not. Start from your bed as soon as you wake up in the morning. Instead of lying around like a lazy person, immediately leave the bed, exercise, take a bath, meditate. Discipline keeps us focused towards our goal. Our self-control increase. We can keep ourselves calm even in adverse circumstances. Discipline is like a thread. The more you wrap it, the stronger it will become. Lack of discipline also makes our faith weak, and with weak faith, no one can do their best. That's why, while fighting against your inner weakness, go on strengthening your discipline every day, because only through discipline, other habits can be used for your success.